I took some honey that was crystallizing and just warmed it through with a few blueberries out of the freezer from our blueberry bushes. The honey was crystallizing in the container, so I just scooped it out into there, like I said, and just threw some blueberries out of the freezer into the honey and just let it warm on low. I'm going to put just a little pat of butter in that and let that melt into that honey syrup. My husband made pancakes on the Blackstone yesterday morning, and we have some left over, so I put them in the fridge. I'm just going to unwrap them. Into the toaster. Gonna go right over the pancakes with that blueberry butter syrup. Leftover pancakes better than the day before. Breakfast is served.